on our natural gas for the week. Let's start with our daily time frame. We can see our daily time frame has actually been giving us that bullish move up. We can see this huge bullish move upward on our natural gas. Now, for about 3 days ago, yesterday, and today, our price has actually given us a pullback to this our key level here. Now, why is this our key level here? We can zoom it out. We can see once our price actually tap here and came back to this area here, tap this our resistance and came back to this area here, which is our support, tap here again. So at least this place, our price has actually reacted to this key level here. We can see our price actually going up, then add a retracement from this area here, and we can see our price came down here to hit our support level. So this is actually a key level area here. So now let's see it on this place. We can see this bullish move, we can take it up, and we can see this retracements, by the way. So what I believe for this week is that once our market opens, we would continue to go bullish, by the way. I would want to see our price take out this our liquidity highs here, at least for the week, and if possible break above it. That is exactly, if possible, break above it, and if not, we might possibly see a pullback, a drop on our natural gas for the week. So on our daily time frame for the week, we are expecting our natural gas to actually give us that bullish move upward. Now let's see it on our 4-hour time frame. On our 4-hour time frame, we can see it, we are on a pullback level area here. We can see this higher high, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and we can see our price actually ranging within this area here. So we would be expecting our natural gas to actually start going bullish for the week. So anytime soon we'll start seeing that multiple breakout structure upward on our 4-hour time frame. So the best time to actually take a buy on this is probably when we see on our 30 minutes time frame that we have multiple breakout structure upward. Now we can see that our price is actually ranging here on our 30 minutes time frame. So once we see that our price breaks above this highs, it breaks above it, come to retest it, and it's starting to give us that bullish move upward, then it is a good time to actually take our buy on our natural gas. If not, we probably might be seeing our price ranging here probably for some times before we actually now start getting that bullish move on our natural gas.